Alright, so this is a quick video here. Um, I, I'm doing this in processing, and I like the way that processing has the ability just to set up different tabs. So it wouldn't have to be anything, you could basically hide everything in another tab. Right now I just had some stuff in this tab, don't change anything, and then basically Um, the name of these two tabs are changed or swapped, but then there would be one tab where kids could go in and change the command. So I like the processing for it. And this one, it's basically what we would have. They would be able to list the commands and then watch the robot go through the grid. They would have to guess where he ends up, which would get printed. And another activity would be to tell them to come up with the commands to get the robot to a certain point. But I like processing. I remember I asked you last week for some tools, um, and Tinkercad. Looked it up, and Tinkercad I think was was really good. We could do a lot of things. It gave me a lot of ideas um, to be able to. I like it a lot. It's three-dimensional, so it'd have a little learning curve with the kids. It reminds me of Unity, really, aside from with just the 3D aspect and how things are um, created in the world, the views. It just reminds me of Unity, so I think that would be maybe like a stepping stone to eventually using it. I couldn't ever really access. What was the other one you wanted me to look up? Oh, Minecraft. It looked like it was you had to pay to get it. And I know you were trying to keep things uh, where it was free. So I never got a chance to look at that. Tinkercad looked awesome. I still think that I wouldn't really be scared. I don't think of a script-based um, language. You just have to limit the thing. You'd have to give them, like I've done here, like a code, like starter code, and then get them and direct them to what they need to change. Because really, at this point, it really wouldn't be about creating their own project or program. It would be getting them to think with that computational thinking um, to create algorithms and sequential logic type thing. Well, anyway, here's I wanted to get back with you. Here's the video on processing. I think would be a good choice. Again, there's nothing with classes or anything in this. It's just tabs, and you just have a setup method, and you have a draw method. But again, the kids wouldn't even need to know that. It would just be listing the commands. But I'll send this to you and let me know what you think.